Hey, welcome to Nova Toolbox. If you're trying to find AI tools that genuinely save time, improve quality, or help you build faster, this channel's for you. I don't just list features, I test tools like a real user and show you the results on screen.
If you've ever wished your apps could just talk to each other, then Zapier is the tool that makes that dream a reality. Zapier is a powerful no-code automation platform that connects thousands of apps, from Gmail to Slack, Notion to Salesforce, and lets them work together seamlessly without you lifting a finger. At its core, Zapier helps you build automated workflows called Zaps. A Zap watches for a specific trigger, like a new email or form submission, and automatically performs actions you choose, such as saving a lead to a spreadsheet or sending a Slack notification over and over again day after day. No coding experience? No problem, you don't need any. Instead of one simple action, Zapier lets you chain many steps together. For example, when someone fills a form, a Zap can automatically save that lead to a spreadsheet, send a thank you email, and post a message in Slack, all without lifting a finger. Zapier now includes AI tools, like AI actions that can summarize, extract data, interpret text, or even generate content, and AI agents that can make decisions and act across apps on your behalf. One of the most powerful and beginner-friendly parts of Zapier is its workflow templates. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering what to automate, Zapier gives you ready-made blueprints built around real business use cases. These templates are pre-designed automations that already connect popular apps and define the trigger and action steps for you. All you have to do is customize them to fit your tools and workflow. Zapier offers a free plan with basic automations and limited monthly tasks. The professional plan, starting around $19.99 per month, includes multi-step workflows and premium app integrations. The team plan begins at about $69 per month and adds collaboration features for growing teams. Enterprise plans provide advanced security, admin controls, and scalable task limits for larger organizations. In short, Zapier workflows are like your digital assistant that wakes up the moment something happens, checks the rules you set, and automatically does the work for you. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.